Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys iqoo setting, and today's video title is guys how to enable and use easy touch setting in iqoo. Friends, you want to use iqoo easy touch setting. So friends, now let's see how to use iqoo easy touch setting one by one, step by step we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So first of all guys, open your device phone setting, then you can use iqoo easy touch shortcut setting. After turn on phone setting friends, scroll down here and you can see this type interface. So friends, open your phone shortcut and accessibility setting. After turn on my phone shortcut and accessibility setting friends, you can see this type interface in your iqoo mobile. Friends, in your iqoo mobile, scroll down here and open your phone easy touch setting. On your easy touch, and friends, after on easy touch you can see this icon on your screen. So friends, now you can use iqoo easy touch shortcut setting. Tap here, calculator app, screen recording, flash. Friends, you can on easy touch setting you can use. So friends, if you click here calculator app will on your screen and you can use calculator app in your iqoo mobile. Friends, again swipe here, click at this icon. If you click a screen recording setting, flash. Friends, you want to on, you can on flash, and if you click a screen recording, your screen recording will start and you can off your screen recording. Friends, if you click here message app setting, so you can open message app and you can use it. Again click here assistant setting, you want to use assistant setting you can use. Again swipe here, if you click here calendar, so friends, you can on calendar app with shortcut setting and you can use it. Again swipe here, file app you want to on, you can open file app with shortcut setting. Google app you want to use, you can on Google app. If you click here camera friends, you can use camera. Browser app you want to use, so you can open your browser app and you can use it. So like that friends, you can use easy touch shortcut setting in iqoo mobile. And you don't want to use, so friends, right swipe here, click here easy touch setting, and you want to remove this icon on your screen. How to remove? Click here easy touch setting and friends, icon will remove. And if you swipe here right side, so friends, you cannot use iqoo easy touch setting. Again you want to use, open your phone shortcut and accessibility setting, then friends click here easy touch setting, you can on easy touch and you can use in iqoo mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to set up and use easy touch shortcut setting. Bye.